Hi YouTube. Today I am making I'm doing really slime sea salt or whatever type of salt. Glass of tropical mango, whatever. We're gonna need 3 spoons of, or 4 spoons of the powder with the soap. So we're just gonna mix it real good. And we need a pinch of salt. So we just grab a pinch. And mix it. It should be like a liquid consistency. So I'm just gonna
take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two.
You're going to need some baking soda. So we'll grab some baking soda. That much.
Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause
And how much you want. That much. So it should be like this bubbly and stuff. So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 6 minutes or 5 minutes. 5 to 1 minute. No, 5 to 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna do 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna check in with you guys and see how it goes. If it goes bad, then I'm gonna, do it again, and again. Because this looks like a very pretty slime. I would love to play with this one. So I will be going to have to edit this and stuff. So yeah, bye.